Alright, this is 864 tractor machine, all redone and refurbished over, and it looked very nice. And I'm gonna show you the motor. Show the motor nice, easy. Okay. Now I'm gonna start it up. And keep an eye there.